Today we are going to see a beautiful sleeve in an easiest way. I have taken a 9-inch sleeve pattern, and from the top I have marked 3 inches, and on the folded side I have marked 6.5, and now I'm going to connect both the lines and cut this part out. Using this pattern, I'm going to cut the main fabric and the lining, leaving a half an inch of seam allowance like this. Then we are going to place the main fabric and the lining together, and I'm going to sew the V part. So I'm going to sew on the exact line. Once it's been sewn, just add some notches and turn the lining fabric to the wrong side of the fabric. Take this piece and add some slashes. So I'm adding a half an inch slash. You can add 1 inch slash too. So add slashes to this pattern, and you're going to spread the pattern as much as possible. Now I'm going to place this pattern on an organza fabric. So spread the pattern on the organza fabric like this, and now I'm going to cut into the fabric, leaving the same half an inch of seam allowance, and sew the top part of the fabric, and you're going to gather it gently. So once after gathering, place the sleeve fabric on top of the raw edge of the organza, and you're going to pin that in place, and you're going to sew that together. So once it's done, our sleeve is ready. Hope you like this video. For more videos, don't forget to follow my Instagram page.